Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Wall of Hype. My name is Orlando, and in today's video, we've got a jam-packed lineup of this week's customs that you don't want to miss. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what we are doing. We'd appreciate your love and support to the channel. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Here we have an Untitled design by customizer Major Wavezz. The shoe customized, it's an Air Force One low. Now, let's take a look at the video. This is basically a reconstruction, no paint, but the big question is it wearable? It's an LED Nike swoosh. That's a clean look. I'd rock it. Wonder if you can change the colors. But the question, again, is battery pack. Is it comfortable? You know, I'll be following Major Wavezz to see where this goes next. It's a great concept, a great look. Very simple, clean. Who would have thought? You cut right through the shoe swoosh and then add the plate or the base of that LED right behind it. Next we have Happy New Year 2021. Customizer Mache. The shoe is a Nike Vapor Edge Pro 360. The design 2021 Happy New Year. Looks like that's all stenciled, but knowing Mache, you probably can get down with the brush. We also have the fireworks in the back with red and blue. Those look like they were airbrushed on with line work in between. And then to top that off, you got some nice blue laces. This shoe was custom created for an NFL player with the Buffalo Bills, Stephon Diggs. Now in this project, here we have is a Levi's red. Customizer, the Remade. And the shoe is an Air Jordan 1 Reconstruct. This is a very special shoe. You know, if you have a Levi's, I personally don't have, but you got the back pocket right there on the heel. Next, the tongue tag is the actual patch that's on back of the jeans itself. And then everywhere else that you look, all the way down to the swoosh, down to the lace guard, just pure beauty. It's just clean, simple look, but you have the distress all over in the shoe. You have the distress all in the different panels of the design. Really makes this a cool, unique, one-of-a-kind design that you won't see anywhere else. The Remade did this shoe justice. Well, that's it for this week's video. Comment below and let us know which one of these talented artists or custom kicks is your favorite design. There are tons of customizers posting each and every week, and we'd love to try and showcase them all. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.